My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need 1 ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Your baseball caps will look like new without needing to wash them in the dishwasher. Sweat stains and other dirt will disappear without distorting the brim. Here's how. First, Mix 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid with 100 milliliters of vinegar in a jug and stir well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the caps, focusing on the stained areas, and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub the caps. For any yellow sweat stains, apply a tablespoon of baking soda. Wait 5 minutes, and then scrub again. Prepare a bowl of hot water and soak the caps for a few minutes. Replace the water with clean water and add a tablespoon of laundry detergent. Let the caps sit for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. Your caps will be clean, fresh, and ready to wear, with the brim intact. Some people believe caps can be safely washed on the top rack of a dishwasher. However, the lack of control over water temperature and heat can damage older caps with cardboard brims, unlike those with plastic ones. Dishwasher detergents often contain stronger chemicals that can harm caps. If you choose this method, place the cap on an inverted bowl to maintain its shape. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine, or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions.